bad car symptoms.
The wheel bearing is one of the more simple yet very important parts of your car. It has the crucial role of letting the wheel rotate with almost no resistance. When the wheel bearing starts going bad, it's good to recognize the symptoms on time and make the repair as soon as possible, as it is in fact a matter of safety. Watch our video where we also show you the sounds of a failing wheel bearing, and perhaps with this video you can notice the symptoms on time and avoid bigger trouble.